get some air now. Let your edge out. Put some ice, but you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I could've kept from too best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Why you love me, yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't forget that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you stay and become a part of our beautiful family. And if you're returning subby, a regular, welcome back. Thank you so much for taking your time to watching this video, and yeah, thank you for sharing, for liking, and just for the continuous support. Yeah, I really appreciate it. So today's video is a vlog. Obviously, I'm not sure how this vlog is gonna go because today is Sunday. I think it might be a weekly vlog, not sure. But yeah, we'll see because I don't have anything interesting happening during the week except going to work, and I might be going to work this week, like the whole week. So yeah, I'll see. But right now I'm making breakfast, and after eating I need to do some cleaning and go run some errands. So I will take you guys with me. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, your family, your colleagues, and yeah, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and to turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. By the way, I did some maintenance on Friday and yesterday. Did my lashes, honey. Literally, this is my first time doing individual lashes. I did hybrid. And you know what? At first I was just like, but I am feeling myself. Like, my lash tech did her thing. I did my nails as well, just did like plain white. I made this short because I need to be able to use my fingerprinted work. But yeah, these are my nails. And I did my hair. You know, I did my hair, and she did a stunning job. Okay, she did a great job, and the forehead is out saying hello. But yeah, my skin is looking rather crazy, but yeah, I will sort that out today. I think I'm just gonna do like some skincare. I don't know if I'm gonna include it in the video. Might not. But yeah, it's breaking out. Like, literally it's breaking out, as you can see. Like, woo, guys. But yeah, anyways, I also have a doctor's appointment later on in the week because I've just decided to go on treatment, and I'll see how it goes. My appointment is on Friday 3rd, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. I don't know, child. Anyways, let me make some food because the time is running out. It's almost half 11, so yeah, let's do this. Period. See you guys when I'm done. Okay?
If you could see it from the forward till you see it from the back till you see it back, yeah, till you see it.
Guys, I'm so obsessed with my hair. Actually, the whole thing. I wanted to vlog when I was doing my hair and, you know, lashes, doing my whole maintenance. Your girl got anxiety, so I was so anxious. I felt like everyone is just staring at me, and I couldn't do it. I tried to vlog at the salon when I was doing my hair, but I just took like 2 clips which I would insert on the vlog, but I was just like, nah. But as for my lashes, though, I was not gonna be able to vlog because it was my first time. I didn't know what to expect, so I was just like, yeah, no, we are not doing that. We need to focus on this thing, darling. Like, we need to focus, okay?
If you could see it from the forward till you you see it from the back. Back till you see it. Back, yeah. Till you see it from the back. Back till you see it from the back. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Yeah. Back till you see it from the back. Back till you see it from the back. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. He need the rump and need the thighs. He eat that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the ride. He keep it running like it pump. He need the rump and need the thighs. He eat that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the ride. He keep it running.
Alright, I'm gonna leave this on for like 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done, because after all of this I need to go around those errands as I was gonna run. So yeah, I need to go towards the butchery. So yes, I'll see you guys on my way to those. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I literally just got home from Parklands. I had a few errands that I wanted to run. Tomorrow is Monday, so I don't think I'll be vlogging tomorrow. I don't know. I'll see. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog, and if you are, please do give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, do suggest content that you guys would like to see on this channel. Almost a content, but yeah, I will see you guys when I see you.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Wow, I know it's been a while since I last spoke to you guys. I think it's been over a week, I don't know. But yeah, I've had a really busy week. I look so crusty. Yeah, it was just pretty much work. I remember I said I had an appointment on Friday, the 3rd, with my dermatologist, but I couldn't make it. Yeah, I was late. Actually, they cancelled while I was literally 15 minutes away. I was stuck in traffic. I had a really busy Friday at work. So yeah, we scheduled for Thursday, this coming Thursday. So yeah, I won't be including that on this vlog. I'll probably include that appointment on the next vlog, because I feel like I'm gonna be doing more weekly vlogs. I don't know. Let me not promise you guys with anything yet. We'll just see. But yeah, today is Sunday, of course, and right now it's about 10:15, 10:15. So I'm gonna make breakfast, of course. First things first, but nothing hectic. I'm just gonna make coffee and cereal, and yeah, I'm doing laundry at the same time. And then once I'm done with that, I need to go to the mall. I need to go to Table Bay to get a few things. But yeah, nothing hectic. And then come back and cook before load shedding, hopefully. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get back. Actually, I'll see you guys when I can. But yeah, you guys will be spending the Sunday with me, and if you enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and yeah, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. I look very thirsty. I look very thirsty, but you know what? It's fine. Yeah, I'll treat you guys later. welcome back to the vlog. It's me again. Yeah, I'm on my way right now to Table Bay. The time is 5 to 4. I am so late, I know. I said earlier I wanted to be back by 4 because we have load shedding, and I know some shops will be closed. It's kind of frustrating, but yeah, I need to get these things today, because if I don't get them today, I won't be able to do them during the week. Yeah, because I'll be busy with work, so I won't have time to run some errands. So yeah, anyways, nothing much to say. I need to request, actually. I need to request so I can get going. But the weather is so annoying. Like, it's annoying because it's raining right now, and it's gonna rain the whole week, which is so annoying because we're in summer, so why is it raining? But yeah, anyways, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog in Table Bay. I don't know. I hope I will, because I know some shops will be closed, and you know it's load shedding, but I'll try. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If I don't talk to you guys when I'm back from Table Bay, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, you know, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and do turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video.